G'day Blue Crew, Adam from Bosch Power Tools here. We have another phenomenal offer this tax time. This is our two-piece 8 amp hour ProCORE heavy duty kit. This comes with two 8 amp hour ProCORE batteries. It's our latest and greatest in battery technology, giving you the maximum amount of power for your tools. A 110 Newton meter hammer drill, a 210 Newton meter impact driver and wrench. You can do your 1/2 inch sockets on the outside, your 1/4 inch bits on the middle. It's the only one on the market that's a 1/2 impact driver, 1/2 wrench. And for tax time only, this will come with either an option of a brushless circular saw via redemption. This is valued at over $349, or you can pick yourself up another 8 amp hour ProCORE battery via redemption. This is phenomenal value for this tax time only. This is available at Bunnings, Total Tools and Sydney Tools. So head in store now and pick yourself up a cracking deal on this two-piece 8 amp hour ProCORE kit from Bosch.